vlog update. I can't see anything. Yeah, that's the problem with Sony's, is that if I put it on my Sony's, I can't see anything on my screen. Anyway, if I slide it, I can see something. Gosh, that's weird. Anyway, yeah, quick vlog today. Just came from the city. It's my second week of school. Yes, I just quit my job, and I'm doing masters in information technology, which is a pretty challenging one. It's been nearly 20 years since I've last been to school. But anyway, yeah, so it's gonna be fun. I'm just heading home now. I'm trying to update my visa. My visa's gonna expire this weekend, so I need to file a new one for my 2-year master's course. Pretty excited, pretty nervous, but yeah, so my schedule's pretty packed. I don't know, I'll see how it goes, but yeah, that's my update now. Just heading home. I have a class around 5:30, but right now I'm heading home because it's still nothing to do, and yeah, I'll post more updates soon. Okay, I'm currently heading home right now, and it was funny earlier because thing is, I was 20 minutes late to my class, but oh, it goes 20 minutes ago. Okay, as I was saying, I was around 20 minutes late for my class, and I was hurrying, not really hurrying, but yeah, when I got there, they were discussing already, and I was trying to be attentive and everything, and the guy who's discussing is, I think he was Korean. He was having a hard time pronouncing R, but the good thing, he's so cool, and after 10 minutes they told us that it's done and we can go home, or we can listen to these stories or experiences. I was like, shit. I was so nunning to come to class, and in the end it was quick. We had only 30 minutes out of 2 hours. So right now I'm heading home. Just bought some rice because everything here, people are panicking and we're running out of rice. I'm good with not having rice, but sometimes you're gonna miss it. It's an Asian. Anyway, I'm gonna head out now. Yeah, it's getting busy on the road, so gotta go. Bye. So I was on my way and I just couldn't resist. I saw this very nice mural over there, and I'm gonna take a photo of it. I'm not gonna miss it. I'm running. It's gonna be jittery, but yeah, I'm gonna take a photo of it. Some things you shouldn't miss in life. When you see a good photo, take it. There it is. Yep, I'll take a good photo of that one. Okay, there's a cool artwork there, as you can see, and there's another one there beside the house. That's cool, eh? Check that out. So there are a lot of things that I miss taking a photo, like good spots, good places that I've been, and I miss the shot because I'm always in a hurry. The reason for that is I'm always late, so when you're late you try to hurry up, and yeah, I miss some good sights, good photos. But lately I've been trying my best to have more time, and then yeah, when I saw that, I just want to take a photo. It's nothing super uber nice, but it looks good for me, so it's gonna be in my archives, and in the future I might look at it and like, this looks good, yeah, I'm gonna edit it. So those are little things you do. Okay, I need to go home now. There's another good artwork which is there. Yep, so that's another one.